friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. So today is day one of Vlogmas and I am so excited to be doing Vlogmas again this year. I did it somewhat last year. I kind of stopped at like day 20, I think, just because I didn't really have a plan and I tried to do it, you know, like plan Vlogmas a week before Vlogmas. Not a good idea. But this year I like really planned out everything and I'm really excited because today's video I am taking you all behind the scenes of me shooting my Vlogmas intro. I'm gonna take you along throughout this whole entire process of behind the scenes. It is currently, what time is it? 9:14 and today is Sunday, November 28th. So cutting a little close with the filming part, but we're gonna make it work. Just life happened. Yeah, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos for Vlogmas. So right now I am currently trying to make breakfast really quickly because my friend Sean, he is going to be filming my Vlogmas intro, and I'm gonna put his information down below. So if you are in like the Metro Atlanta area and you want somebody to like do some filming work for you, he's your guy. Definitely hit him up. But we're gonna meet at, we reserved a space on Pier Space. So we're gonna meet there. Our reservation, or I guess we have it reserved from 10 to 12. It's only like 20 minutes from me, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I need to go ahead and finish breakfast. I was gonna do some coffee, but I'm tired and I really want to take a nap after I come back from filming. So I think I'm not gonna drink any coffee because if I do, I'm not gonna be able to take a nap, and I want to nap because I'm supposed to go out later tonight. But I'm glad I packed everything last night, so I'll kind of show you all what that looks like, and then we'll kind of go from there. So this is all the stuff that I have packed for filming. I have a lot of stuff in here and here. This is all shoes. This is all outfits. Not all of this is pertaining to Vlogmas. Some of this is actually going to just be if I can have some time to do some quick like photos / reels for Instagram. And then gotta make sure I have an iron because some of my stuff is a little wrinkly. But this is all the stuff that I have. And then I have my vlogging camera there. I'm actually using my iPhone right now, but I have my vlogging camera there. It's currently, it's currently charging over there. But yeah, so I'm about to finish making breakfast really quickly. Hopefully I can get this done and be out of the house in the next, actually, yeah, 13 minutes. I need to leave at 9:30. This is what I get for waking up late. But anyways, Sean and I had already discussed like the plan for my intro, and so we kind of like planned out all of that stuff. So really once we get there, it's just to hit the ground running and go because we only have the space for 2 hours. So I'm actually, while my food is cooking, I'm gonna just go throw some sweats on because I'm gonna do my makeup and everything there just because I don't want to get sweaty and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'll see you all when I get to our space for shooting the video. Okay, y'all, we done made it to our destination, and this spot is nice. Like the view, everything. Like look at this. Oh, hey Sean, the videographer. Listen, if you're in the Metro Atlanta area, I told y'all, hit him up. But this place is really nice. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it looks like. So this is the outside, but look at this view out here. Absolutely gorgeous. You got the little like sunroom area. And you walk in like, oh, he said the stuff with the sticky notes on it are private.
Okay.
Like, look at this, y'all. The artwork, the lighting, everything is just beautiful. And this, oh, this is my type of kitchen right here. Okay. Oh, they got dishes in the sink. Well, anyways, this is so nice. What's that? Oh, that's the garage. But yes, not bad, not bad. Okay, so now that y'all seen the house, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my life together so we can start filming. And then maybe get a few pictures. I feel like we can make this work. So yeah, but we done took over this bedroom and basically put everything everywhere. But we gonna make this work. We gonna get it right. So we gonna get ready and I'll check in with y'all later. All right, y'all. Outfit number 2. We are killing this. Yeah. We got this. All right, y'all. So, I made it back to my apartment. Well, I'm in the parking deck right now trying to get all of this stuff out of my car. So I packed like I was going on a 3-month vacation with all the stuff that I packed, but I wanted to make sure I had everything. So now I can just go upstairs and basically unpack all this stuff. But I cannot wait for y'all to see the final product because your girl killed it and Sean did the damn thing, okay? Whew, what do I need from here? I think I got everything. Okay, so I'm gonna head back up to my apartment and I will check in with y'all in a little bit. Alrighty, so I am back in my apartment. Face is still beat, so honestly, I'm about to try and get some pictures in the parking deck before I like go take all of this off. Basically, I'm like, I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But y'all, whew, we cut it close. Like our time, we had it reserved from 10 to 12, and when I tell you, we finished right at 12 p.m. Oh my gosh, it was so close. But we got some good footage and good photos, and I'm so excited because Sean does amazing work as it is, and so I know this is gonna be some top tier editing. But yeah, so that's pretty much the behind the scenes of my Vlogmas intro. I'm gonna try and get some editing done, some pictures done the rest of the day. So this look doesn't go to waste. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram. I'll link it down below and I'll put my name on the screen so you all can see when I start posting some stuff. Because let me tell y'all, I have some fire content for you all for Vlogmas and I am truly so excited. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and you click them push notification button so you can see, because I am uploading every day. I don't care what happens, I am making sure I upload every day. That is my goal and I am going to meet it. So once Sean edits the video, I'll go ahead and he sends it to me. I'll go ahead and insert it so you all can see the final look. And yeah, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh, like y'all have no idea. I'll have to do like a video explaining just what life has been doing to me. So the fact that I'm like really excited for this this intro and for Vlogmas. And I mean, the Christmas season is my favorite holiday season as it is. So it's just like icing on the cake. But I'm really taking my craft seriously this year. So there are no excuses, okay? But yeah, so I will check in with you all once I have the final edited footage for my Vlogmas intro. Alrighty, y'all, so I finally have the final product. Y'all, Sean did that, okay? Sean did that. So without further ado, here is my Vlogmas 2021 intro.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. North Pole for sale.